Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a thrift store haul and a Korean beauty supply haul. So first, let's get started with the thrift store. And mostly everything was new, except for the DVDs and the movies that CDs that I picked up. I got these Christmas pajamas. They have a whole bunch of different Christmas pajamas with Grinch, and even though it's not Christmas, but it was brand new. Yep, they still have the tags on them. Never been worn. So I picked up these cute black pajama pants. It's got gingerbreads all over it. And like the little Christmas trees and all that stuff. And then I really like the cute little red shirt. And it's long sleeve and it has gingerbread on the front. But it's a girl gingerbread with a bow in her hair. But anyway, I picked it up because I love gingerbread. So I picked that up at the thrift store. That was $10. And then I came across a lot of these beautiful curtains, and then one of them I found a tablecloth. Oh my god, I have to show you guys. Now the first thing, these were $10 a piece. They're brand new. And these are kitchen curtains. Now you don't just have to put them in your kitchen. You could put them in your bathroom. This is the 3-piece kitchen set. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Beautiful lace detail. Got the stones in there. Really beautiful. And it's like an aqua, like a turquoise, like an aqua blue. And I love blue. Blue's like one of my favorite colors. And that's what it looks like when you put them up in your windows. And it's a beautiful set. And it was only $9.99. I was like, oh my god. So I picked that up. It's so beautiful. That's a 3-piece curtain set. Then this was $10. And I find the tablecloth, guys. The tablecloth, and it matches this, how you say it, curtain. Look how beautiful this is. All stones and detail. Lace. It's super beautiful. Now these, I know you can't put in the wash machine. I think you got to hand wash these delicately. But they're so pretty. And it has like all the details. Everything. It's so nice. This was also $10. I love that. So I found that at the thrift store. And then, oh my god, I just couldn't pass these up. These are a 3-piece curtain set. Look at this, guys. This is pink. And it's got flowers and the stones. Not stones, but like sequins. And, yeah, it's super beautiful. And this is like a pale baby pink. Oh my god. If my grandma was alive, she would definitely love these. So beautiful. Look at the lace detail on that. It's beautiful. So, yep, that's a 3-piece kitchen set. I got it in pale pink. It's so pretty. Then, ta-da, found it in silver too. I was like, oh my god. These were all $10 a piece, so I did pay a lot in this thrift store. But it's so pretty. Look at that. Silver, gray. This will go with everything. And like I said, you don't even have to put these in your bathroom. You could put, your kitchen. You could put these in your bathroom too. It's so beautiful. Look at that. It's a 3-piece curtain set. Love that. Love that. And then I find it in blue. So this is like a different blue with silver in it. So it's like silver and light blue. Different from that type of blue. See the difference? So pretty. Look at that. And this was also $10. Look at that. Oh my god. I just love beautiful flashy linen. Because I'm into like the modern black and mirror furniture, mirror this, sequins and chandeliers and all that fancy stuff. So that's what I like. And then, also at the thrift store, I couldn't even believe this stuff. They didn't really have a whole bunch of selections like they used to. But you wouldn't even believe this. 3 for $1, guys. 3 for $1 of DVDs and CDs. 3 for $1. So I picked up a couple of them. Like I said, I had to just find whatever I liked. They didn't really have anything else. So I picked up this 50 cents. This is Bulletproof on DVD. And they were 3 for $1. So you can't beat that. Then this is Chinese, a Chinese version. But we have this IP Man with Donnie Yen. And this is the Chinese version. And then I also got this cute little animated movie, the Barbie one. And this is The Princess and the Pauper. Whatever how you pronounce it. And then I picked up this. This was brand new, Benji. And it's called The Hunted. So I got Benji. Then I found this one. This is from Disney. This is the Mighty Joe Young. And it's a real story. It has the gorilla. And then I also picked up this Barbie one. It's called A Mermaid Tale. And it's animated. I thought it was just cute. And I'm not crazy about these, but these were the only ones that I could find that were interesting. Because they're $3 for $1. So you can't beat that. Then I got a brand new, it's still in the package, of Flushed Away. Then I got this one. It says The Stranger Beside Me. So it looks like a crazy thriller. You can see the knife. And then I got this one. This was new. It's called The Santa Paws. And this is from Disney. You know, the dog Santa Paws. And then I picked up 3 CDs. They were only $3 for $1. They didn't have no decent selections at all. This one is Frankie J. Frankie J. This is reggaeton, I believe. Yeah, so I picked this up. And then I found this one. It looks like it's been recorded. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, it's from a DJ. It says Hip Hop Jams. Okay, I notice it's a little scratched. So I might have to clean that. I'm see. Hopefully this works. It was only $3 for $1. So it's not like I paid full price. And then I found Bing Crosby, his Christmas classic. You get 2 of them in here. So, yeah, that's all I found there. They didn't have nothing decent, no CDs or anything. So that's what I picked up at the thrift store, guys. I'm really happy about the curtains. And then next door, I went to a Korean store. I just picked up some bottled water for right now. And then I went to a Korean beauty supply store. And they didn't really have no decent selections or anything, but I picked these up again. This is a 3-piece set. And these are just simple hoops. They could go with your everyday wardrobe. You got medium, small, and large. And then I got these black. Are these black? Yeah, these black plastic hoops, and it's got stones all over the sides. And these are the real big hoops. And then also at the Korean beauty supply, I picked up these pink hoops with a whole bunch of rhinestones on the side. And then I got this really nice ankle bracelet. It's like black stones with silver. Really nice ankle bracelet. And then I found these little earrings. Super cute. They're gold. It's got like stones around the side. These little charms in the middle. And then the last one I picked up was these little baby gold hoops. I already have these in all colors. And it's got, you know, the rhinestones on the sides. That's about it. And these were all only $1 each. So for all of these, it was like $6. That's it. So that's what I picked up at the Korean beauty supply store. And then all this stuff was the thrift store. So anyway, thanks for watching this thrift store Korean beauty supply haul, and I will talk to you guys later. I got more exciting stores coming up and more fun stuff to do. So anyway, stay tuned for those videos, and I will holler back later. Be safe, guys, and enjoy your day. Bye.